Hey guys, what's happening? How to restore all TikTok videos before the upcoming ban. So go ahead and open up your TikTok, okay? And you can save your video manually, right? By clicking the video right here, and then click the three dots next in the right hand menu, and then hit save video, and you can apply this to all videos. Next, what you're gonna do, you can just download your data by clicking the three bars at the top right, go to the settings and privacy, and then click account. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just click download your data, and you're gonna walk through the steps of downloading your data, okay? And then you're gonna wait for a few moments, and they're gonna process your data requests, okay? Next, you can use a third-party tool like 4K Toolkit or Snaptic, can bulk download your video, right? And of course, you can sync to cloud storage. Download the videos manually by clicking the three dots in the right-hand menu, as I mentioned before. Hit save video, and after you save it, go ahead to the Google Drive or any other app on your iPhone or iCloud even, and save the files, and automatically your account on iCloud will be linked to Mac or any other Apple product. Okay, so act fast before restrictions take effect. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and on that note, see you in the next one.